Hello and welcome to a get ready with me of my everyday makeup. We're going in with the e.l.f. Hydration Primer because my skin needs hydration and I'm just blending that out with a beauty blender. Make sure, it gets absorbed into the sponge and my skin. Alright, just drying that down with my mirror that I'm using as a fan. And, what am I looking for here? I don't even know. Oh, concealer. So I'm gonna conceal a gorgeous pimple, sides of my nose, more pimples. Cannot forget about the under eyes. Cause there's some major baggage, and I'm not talking about emotionally. Even though there's baggage there. And now, just going back with that same beauty blender that I applied my primer with, and I'm just blending out my concealer. This is the Maybelline concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I love it and I hate it at the same time. Blends like a dream, but Maybelline's just not cruelty free. And I'm just blending it out where I see fit. Trying to hide my problems. Next, I'm going in with this CoverGirl foundation. CoverGirl's recently been cruelty free, so we love a good cruelty free product. And this foundation, fun fact, it oxidizes so dark. And here I am saying, this isn't my skin color. What's going on? And can really see I'm getting my tan without having to go outside. I go to Kentucky in the summer, so hopefully this will be, perfect shade for when I'm out and about in the sun. And my god, I look like an Oompa Loompa. But this formula of foundation is a dream. You bet I just left that in because I thought it was funny. And if I think it's funny, you guys will probably think it's funny. Anyway, I'm just baking the good old under eyes. Not sure what it does because I still get creases in my makeup there. Am I baking wrong? Oh, I don't know. I know how to bake cookies and cake, but my under eyes? No idea. And just gotta bake the sides too. And now I'm going in with a butt ton of powder and making my face pale and ghostly like I really am. You bet I'm pale and ghosty. Yeah, I did that too. Because again, I think it's funny tapping out your loose powder. Fun fact, I actually got a defective one where the holes were closed. They weren't open, they were closed. And I'm just, ugh, looking so much better the more powder I apply to my face. Because, one, I'm not that tan. Two, I'm not orange. And three, that foundation is so misleading. Next, I'm gonna spend like 20 minutes doing my eyebrows. Not actually, I just recently learned how to like do them properly, so this is outdated. Up until a few hours ago, I didn't know what this was filmed or when it was filmed or what it was for even. But, we get there one eyebrow at a time. And more time spent on the eyebrows. Yep. Gotta make sure they're absolutely not perfect. Because sisters, not twins. uh, as I do this voiceover, I have tea to lubricate the vocal cords. We are still on the eyebrow kids. This is some serious eyebrow game. That's not very serious at all. Ah, eyeliner. My literal favorite part of the makeup look, because all I pretty much wore in middle school was eyeliner, and it's so good. I was known as the girl with perfect eyeliner, and I take so much pride in that because look at those wings. Aren't they gorgeous? I think they're gorgeous. Right now I do. I don't know what past me is thinking. Alright. Oh, my other favorite part. Highlighter. I love me some highlighter. Excuse me. And I could literally never get enough highlighter. So I'm applying it with a foundation brush because I thought it applied best that way. This is just mascara. Nothing exciting happening here. Except maybe the face I make. It's kind of like, yeah, I'm concentrating on that real nice. I mean, is it me or are my bottom lashes just absolutely popping here? I think they're popping. Do you think they're popping? 'Cause I do. And am I done here? Nope, gotta need lip chap and setting spray, and that's it.